Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen and ladies. This past weekend, the Carlisle Imports and Performance Nationals was awesome. I got to meet a few of you. That was great. I got to see a lot of really nice cars. One specifically we're going to talk about here in a little bit, but I want to show you some of these cars because a lot of them were beautiful. Now, there's not nearly as many cars here today as there will be tomorrow. It's only Friday, as you know, people are working. So tomorrow, this field should be packed. But we're gonna check out some cars today, check out some drifting maybe, and then tomorrow, we'll hit it even harder. All I hear are stones. Now, I'm not a Mustang fan, but I do like that. And there's Black Diamond. You guys see her all the time. No 11th gen yet though. Have not seen one. Let's hope we see one today and hopefully see one tomorrow. Best Mazda ever made, RX-7. Now, the one I want to talk to you about the most is that 23 Nissan 400Z. What do you guys think about it? Because my personal opinion, I think it's ugly. I think it's an extremely ugly car. That's just my first impression of it. Now, I didn't get to see the inside, couldn't pass that chain, but just walking around it and looking at it, I just think it's an ugly car. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Maybe in a different color, maybe. Might have been a little better, but that yellow just doesn't look very good in my opinion. The front end is too weird looking. The rear end I kind of like better than the front end because it has that old 300Z look. And I'm assuming the interior is kind of bland if I had to guess. Just looking at pictures, it doesn't really look interesting to me. And I just saw the price point on it, 40 grand. Now, come on, tell me for 40 grand that this car does not look better. Or even the 11th gen Type R for 40 grand doesn't look better than that car. Tell me in the comments if I'm wrong, because I mean, everybody has their own opinion on things and that's completely fine, but I know a lot of you don't like it. Don't lie. I think it's extremely ugly. Once people start modding them and doing some aero kits and that kind of things to them, maybe they'll look a lot better. But from the factory, not a fan. Not a fan at all. We are back. It is day 2 of the Carlisle Import Show. Just got done wiping Black Diamond down. She is looking but I think there's already more cars here today than there was yesterday. Let's walk around, check them out. Who wants to go camping? Okay, so I'm still extremely disappointed. I have not seen an 11th gen Civic yet. I'm actually really even more disappointed that mine's still in the body shop and I couldn't bring it with me. I'll probably be the only one here. Still on the hunt. See if we can find one. Saw 2 more Type R's at least. So there's some Type R boys out here.
Third through the fifth.
My favorite Volkswagen ever made. Corrado.
Don't forget, audience feedback plays a role.
The other thing that disappointed me about this import show was there was zero, and I mean zero 11th gen Civics. I truly wish I would have had mine. It would have been the only one. Probably would have been a showstopper. I wish a lot of you would have brought yours out. So next year, let's try to get 10. Leave me a comment down below if you think you'll be able to make it. It'll be probably the second weekend of May next year. Not sure the exact dates, but we need to show up next year because we did not show up at all this year. And I'll be honest, I only saw 5 Type R's. 5. Yeah, it's kind of disappointed, to be honest. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. And as always, this was your boy Miller. I'll see you in the next one.